Be it a grocery mall, a shopping complex, or even a small retail outlet, refrigerators and freezers ensure that you serve your customers stuff that is fresh and healthy. But these huge machines require a big investment up front. And not just that, but these power-eating mammoths keep you troubled with long electricity bills every month. And imagine the times during those long power cuts. Plus Minus Global brings to you a solution that completely transforms the way you cool. Built through intense research and cutting-edge European engineering, these refrigeration units are highly efficient and power-friendly and reduce your power bills to a great extent. Having proved their mettle in global markets like Germany and Switzerland, these are now available to you at very reasonable prices. Couple these with our high-end photovoltaic installation and power batteries, and you can get off the grid and reduce your running costs to literally zero. Scared about upfront investment on setting these up? Well, how about an easy EMI option? And guess what? All these machines can be monitored and controlled using your smartphone. Log on now for more details. PlusMinusGlobal.net. It's the hottest cooling solution.